Okay, please taste. Yeah. Durian udang merah. Smells good or different? Pertama kali rasa durian.
Is it first time? Yeah, first time.
How was it?
I think I don't like.
Maybe at first bite you feel different.
You develop the taste.
Yeah.
Taste bitter or sweet?
It's sweet. Yeah. Simon like it. Video. Diane, okay? Are you okay? Merah muka member.
No, the smell is, I mean, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the taste.
Makan dengan cendol.